Hello, Your Honor. I I really appreciate at such a tall age, such a young age of 90, you're coming and addressing all of us. I really appreciate it. Just to introduce myself, I am a lawyer in America. I practiced for 35 years. I was the legal advisor for National Commission for Women in India, and I was also the legal advisor to Embassy of India in Washington, D.C. I have been working for the cause of domestic violence for almost 35 years. I've written books in this area. What I've noticed is that India, because of the domestic violence issue, the women are treated so badly that nobody in the world, the women don't want to come to India. They don't want to visit India. The number of rapes that has gone up in India is so considerable. We heard in America about the Nirbhaya case, and we know that one such case caused a numerous, everybody rose up because one case happened, and media showed it, and then it became important. But now in India, Madhya Pradesh is the highest in rape cases. And I heard in Tamil Nadu also, in the last 3 years, it has gone up considerably. My request is only to see if Human Rights Commission, I know in India we care a lot about our women. Is it somehow possible that even if one case of NRI happens in India, who takes an Uber or who takes a car in India and something happens to them, could it be possible that that NRI woman given a little speedier justice, a little bit speedier justice, so that people don't get so afraid to come to India? At the same time, I feel very bad for India, so I wish to work for the cause of that, and I still continue to advise the National Commission for Women and work in India. But I worry about the non-resident Indian women who come here and are so scared of coming to India. Do you think you have any solution, sir?
Said that people don't want to come to India for one reason or we are not keen that people come to India. Those who want to come to India, let them come and we receive them well. First. Secondly, domestic violence, there is an act. That act is not properly implemented because there are less women lawyers and women do not want to complain, and it is possible to put down the domestic violence if there are more cases, more education among the women, more education among the men, more education before marriage. It is, all those things is possible. But domestic violence is not something particular to India. I have seen in broad daylight in the street of Paris, a young man beating his woman. That happens, but that should not happen. It should, whatever is happening has to be reduced. You have to work on different directions. First, education. Secondly, filing of cases. And thirdly, one of the bases of the domestic violence is man is not as strong as woman in speech. If it is in speech, the woman has always the upper hand.